Hello, my dear students and friends. Good morning. 10th class mathematics, pair of linear equations in two variables. 3.2. In 3.2, what it is the solve with substitution method only. Yes, in 3.2, in first question, fifth bit. Yes, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. 3 root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Roots are only to 8 and 3. Here also 3 and root 2. These are not under the root x. These xy's are not under the root. It is very easy as we have did in the last problems. But what is nulliness? It looks to be these are not rational number, integers, not natural numbers, but these are irrational numbers. Roots are k. That confuses a little bit. But if you know, very easy. See, these are very important question, but comes to for the 2 marks or 1 marks or in the bits also. Yes, in the being it is the substitution method. Let us find the x value. Root x is equal to this plus root 0 plus root 3 root y becomes minus 3 root y. Therefore, root x is equal to plus or if we 0 minus or plus the 0, no problem. It is identity. Yes, root 3y. Isn't it? Now, x is equal to root minus root 3y by root 2. Yes, it is the x value, isn't it? Now, what did we do? Simply, we found the 2x is equal to, it goes to the minus 3y, x is equal to minus 3y by root 2, isn't it? Yes, that we found. Now, let us substitute this x value in the next equation. What is the next equation? 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Yes, root 3. In the place of the x, let us substitute this. That means minus, what is, it is minus root 3y by root 2. Yes. What did we do? We simply, in the place of x, we have written this value, that's all. We did nothing. There is no nulliness. Minus root 8 y is equal to 0. First of all, let us simplify it. Yes, it is plus into minus root 3 into root 3. How much? You see, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Isn't it? Yes. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Y is there? Y by root 2 minus root 8 y is equal to 0. Yes, here is a fraction, here is the denominator is root 2, but denominator is 1. But if we want to add the fractions or subtract the fractions, what we have to do? We have to find LCM. Let us find LCM. 1 and 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is LCM. Root 2 in root 2. 1 time goes 1, 3y minus. Now, here see, root 8 is there, under 1 is there. 1, how many times goes in root 2? 1 in root 2, root 2 times goes. 1 in root 2, root 2 times goes. Yes, root 2 into root 8. Root 8y into root 2 is equal to 0. Now, root 2 is the LCM for all. Let us write here. Now, let us, here you have to see minus 3y minus. Here is the problem. Root 8y into root 2. First of all, root 8 and root 2. Y is not under root. So, root 8 and root 2 we have to multiply. Let us multiply root 8 into root 2. This can be written as root 8 into 2. That is equal to root 16. That is equal to root 16 can be written as 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16. Yes, here square and root cancelled. Yes, what remains? 4 remains. Yes, see, here 4 remains and y is there, y. That means 4y. These two are multiplied. When multiplied, root 8 and root 2 is root 16. Root 16 can be written 4 square. Square and square and root will be cancelled and 4 remains and y is there. 4 into y, 4y. Here written by root 2 is equal to 0. Yes, I am rub of it. Next I rub of it. Now let us see cross multiplication or whatever may be. If we root 2 cancelled, it is denominator root 2. Here no denominator. Let us multiply with root 2 in order to cancel. What we do, both sides we have to do, isn't it? Here cancelled and 0 into root minus 3y minus 4y is equal to 0 into root 2 is 0 with whatever number we multiply with 0, that is 0. 0 into 100, 0. 100 into 0, 0. Yes. Now let us see minus 3y minus 4y minus 7y is equal to 0. Now what is y is equal to 0 by into becomes denominator here minus 7. Isn't it? Therefore, y is equal to 0 minus y, no value, y is equal to 0. Here, what is the value? X is equal to minus root 3y by root 2. Here itself let us do. You do under it, but there is no sufficient place. Here I am doing. Yes, x is equal to minus root 3. Y value how much? Y is equal to 0 by root 2. Isn't it? Yes, therefore root 3 into 0 is equal to 0 minus root 3 into 0, 0. I already said with whatever number we multiply with 0, that is equal to 0. 0 by root 2. 0 by root 2 means 0. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. It is looks to be very, when we are doing, it is very easy, but don't get allergy on seeing this. Thank you very much. Please like and share.